If you're looking to do a job online, then you have clicked the right video because, guys, in this video, I'm going to represent to you 7 different jobs that you can do online and get paid a lot of money. Now, this won't make you the richest person out there, but of course, it will help you out to increase your incomes. Whether you are a student or a teacher or any other profession that you are doing currently, these jobs online, you can do it as a second job and earn some extra money for yourself. They're pretty easy, don't need any knowledge or any experience, and I'm going to show you how you can start off as a beginner and of course succeed to even earn even more. Now guys, don't take this like you will never reach out to earn a lot of money with these types of jobs, because if you put a lot of effort you can create a lot of money, like a real good base with them, and of course turn them into your main income too. So let's get into the details and let me represent to you those 7 different types of jobs that you can do and get paid. But before I do that, of course, I would like to ask you guys for a little support to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump to the first idea of working online, which is freelancer. Of course, this would have been the first choice of mine because freelancer has become so trending, let's say, these days, and everyone is seeking out to be a freelancer. Why so? Because it gives you the freedom of working whenever you want to and wherever you want to. You just have to open your computer and do the job, and the jobs types are different, but I'm also, you have different types of websites that offer you the opportunity to work as a freelancer. But in this video in particular, I'm going to focus on a website which I have tested myself and I think it's pretty good, and it's called Rap.com. I have tested many different freelancer website, but this one really pays you good. So just scroll down till you reach the end, and here you have the option of becoming a freelancer. Now guys, Rap.com is also worldwide available, which I think it will be a good news for everyone who's not living in United States. You're going to get paid weekly, and it will be on time, the payment, and it will be through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I can tell you to go and open one. Now the first job that you can do is transcriptions. What you'll have to do is just listen to audio and video and type whatever it is being said on that audio or video, and you are going to get paid for this from 30 cents to $1 per audio or per video minute. Now guys, imagine doing, let's say, 3 audios, or at least 5 audios, or 6 audios, or 10 audios. That means that you can reach out to earn a lot. Now do not take seriously the range of payments over here, because I know people who work with Rev and they earn at least $10 per hour. So if you work at least 4 or 5 hours per day, you can earn up to $50 per day, which is a lot, right? You can also work as a captioner, watch video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, and even for this, you are going to get paid the same. So these are the types of jobs that you can do as a freelancer, and I will totally recommend to you to try it out. Now, the second one is drop shipping. Now, do not get scared, because a lot of people would not want to engage themselves on drop shipping because they think it's a little bit hard and requires a lot of effort. Of course, you will need effort on anything in your life, guys, and trust me when I say that once you set up on drop shipping, you will never leave, because I think it's one of the best ideas of working online. And you can open an online store pretty easy with Shopify for only $1 per month. Now a lot of people would pay millions of dollars to open a business. Now these days you can just open an online store for only $1. Now you can find products on AliExpress. I know a lot of people that they just go over to AliExpress and they just order different products with a really cheap price. Like, you can find products with only $1 on AliExpress, and you can get at least 30 to 50 products, and you can sell them on Shopify with a very high price. Like, you can sell a product which costs $1 on Shopify, you can sell it for $30 or $20, and your money would be a lot, your earnings will be a lot with this way. Now guys, once someone contacts you and wants to buy the product, you just have to get all of the information and order the product from AliExpress and put the address of the person who is going to get the product. So in this way you don't have to think about the shipping, because AliExpress is going to do the shipping itself. Now if you want to reach out more clients, you can promote your brand on TikTok. So you can open a TikTok account and promote your product, or you can also speak with an influencer about a collaboration. Of course, you don't have to go to Bella Hadid, but I'm just getting it as idea because Bella might want a lot of money to promote the product, but you can find influencer who do not want a lot of money. Now guys, another idea is Facebook Marketplace. Also Facebook Marketplace, it's such a good idea to get paid, and you can do it really easily. Why so? Because you just need a Facebook page, and you might have a lot of items in your home, I'm pretty sure about this, that you don't want anymore and you don't use them anymore. What you'll have to do is just put them into sale. So why keep them in your house when you never use them, when you can sell them on Facebook Marketplace? You can go over here and you can go for item or vehicle or home for sale or rent. You can choose whatever type of products that you want to sell, put a good price on it, and publish it on the Facebook Marketplace. Now what I really love about Facebook Marketplace is that it's going to show and give the people your as a suggestion your product, which people who live nearby you, so you don't have to think about shipping because they live in the same city as you, or in the same zone as you, as in same neighborhood as you, and you don't have to think about shipping and paying for that. You just have to leave a meeting point with a person and you can sell it, and that's all. Now, another idea is teaching English, but for this, you would at least need to know English very well. But I know a very good website called Cambly. Cambly Become a Tutor. You can write it like this, and it's going to be shown up to you. And here you are going to get paid to chat with people from all around the world. Now, they might make questions about different things, but still, the main point it will be that you just have to speak with them, nothing else. And it's so fun, right? Because you just have to chat with people, have fun with them, make different conversations, and that's all. You don't really need to explain any lesson like the usual tutors do. Now, another idea is Fiverr, and you probably might hate Fiverr because of the big competition, but you will still love it because of the big, large, different types of jobs that you can do on Fiverr. Like you have graphic and design, you have digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, and data. So you have so many different options to choose in any of these categories. So if you click on this one, you will find a deep difference like logo designs, interior designs, image editing. And if you go in digital marketing, then you will find different categories even here like CAO, social media marketing. So guys, you can choose whatever you want to. If you have any experience on any of this, then Fiverr would be the best to start off. Another idea is creating YouTube videos. Now, when I say this sentence, you probably think that I'm saying to you that you need a camera and you also need to film yourself, you need to show your face, but no. In fact, I know a lot of YouTube channels, and you probably know a lot too by yourself, that they do not show themselves never, and they still get a lot of views and a lot of subscribers and get paid for that. Now, T-Spill is an example, but you can find a lot out there. As you can see, T-Spill gets so many views, guys, and likes too, and comments. She just posts videos about famous people and just takes their videos that people have made, and she just comments on them, what they do. So basically just gossip. And you can do this too, or you can do other things, and just do not show your face. You can do different type of videos and still earn money. So it's not impossible to earn money these days with YouTube. Now, the last but not least is TikTok, such a big platform that I would totally recommend to you to start opening a TikTok immediately. If you know how to dance, to cook, or to do your makeup perfectly, then you can just put a video on your TikTok and it will get viral for sure. I once published a video and I never thought it would go viral, but it went very fast and I was just singing on that video. So basically, guys, you can do whatever you feel good at it and just publish it on TikTok and you are going to get viral really fast, and you can turn on the monetization and earn more money. So these were all the options that you can choose from and of course earn money. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget subscribe and also check out other videos as well.